catchers are a beautiful, beautiful craft. This was a gift from a friend, but there's a trick that you can make with acrylic.
Because the xTool P2 is a CO2 laser, it can cut all colors of acrylic. I am going to showcase two sun catchers versions using acrylic with the xTool P2.
Hola, my name is Betsy. I am the owner of Amor to Create, and today we are gonna dig into a very fun and creative way to try to make a sun catcher with acrylic. Let's go through the materials and get started.
The first material we are going to use is black acrylic. This one has a 3 millimeters of thickness. The black acrylic could also be substituted with basswood. For the inner part of the sun catcher, you should select a translucent acrylic color. This specific one is from the xTool selected line, but you can choose any other that you think will produce a beautiful light effect. Don't forget to remove the protective plastic from both sides of the acrylic before cutting. And finally, I will use these acetate sheets, but I will not cut these with my laser. To ensure your safety and extend the lifespan of your laser, select materials that are compatible with laser cutting or engraving. We'll also need adhesive to put all the pieces together. For one of the sun catchers, I will use the 3M adhesive sheets. I showcased this on my last video. But you can also use regular adhesive, and I will give you some techniques on how to use this type of glue. The process to design and cut the sun catchers are the same. The top and bottom pieces are the same image, but remember to cut one as a mirror design. Then the centerpiece is the same outline of the design to create a beautiful projection of the light. I added 2 hoops to the outer pieces to be able to hang easier. You can create these images using mandalas, flowers, and a great place to look are coloring book images. Here is the first cut. I use black acrylic for the top and the bottom pieces, but you can also cut them using basswood and spray paint using maybe black color, and that's another way to not using acrylic. It is imperative to remember the orientation of the pieces to add the glue to the correct side of each cut. And for the second design, I used 3M adhesive sheets. And because this second design is less complex, I can cut the insert of the sun catcher using acetate sheets. I simply traced the image into the acetate and then cut it using a pair of scissors. Using 3M adhesive sheets is a straightforward process that involves peeling off the backing of the adhesive and then adhering the pieces together. And here is a trick that I wanted to share about the liquid glue. I place a generous amount of glue on a piece of paper and then rub the acrylic cut over it. This technique will avoid too much glue into your pieces. Here's the final view of the finished project. These pieces are about 5 inches by 3 inches in size, but your xTool P2 can create a much bigger project. Incorporate butterflies, initials, stars, or mountains. I hope this video inspires you to many projects. Thanks for watching and see you again soon with another exciting video.